Demystifying Wan Face, English phrases explained. Hello wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase, wan face. Have you heard it before? If not, or if you're unsure about its meaning, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this together. Wan face refers to a person's face that looks pale or sickly, often because of illness or extreme fatigue. The word wan itself means lacking in color or looking sickly. It can depict someone who might be feeling weak, ill, or tired. Example: after staying up all night working on his project, John had a wan face the next day. Now, where did the word wan come from? It's always fascinating to explore the origins. Wan has its roots in Old English. It originally meant lacking color, pale, or bluish-white. Over time, its meaning has evolved but still centers around the idea of paleness or lack of vitality. Let's practice using it in some sentences. 1. Sarah's wan face worried her mother, who then insisted she take the day off from school. 2. The exhausting journey left travelers with wan faces, longing for a comfortable bed. 3. Noticing his wan face, the teacher asked if he was feeling all right. It's always good to know similar words or synonyms. Here are a few synonyms for wan: pale, ashen, pallid, blanched. Example: after the scary movie, her face was pallid with fright. Here, pallid can be a synonym for wan. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, wan face. I hope you found this enlightening. Remember, language is a living thing, always evolving and changing. It's these little phrases and nuances that make English such a rich language. Keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.